Hello, everyone, and welcome. Whether you're a seasoned real estate investor, a real estate enthusiast, an American or Canadian, or just simply someone with a keen interest in unearthing new avenues of growth, this course is for you. I am truly proud of the journey we're about to embark on, and I couldn't be more excited to have you on board. I really feel like I'm in a turning point in my own personal life, and that I found something I'm truly passionate about. So first, allow me to share a bit of my story. It's a narrative that has not only shaped my personal life, but one that has ultimately led me to this passion. A mixture of passive income, real estate, and marketing to have found you. I was living what many might perceive as the successful life, a lucrative job with a six-figure salary in the whirlwind city of Brooklyn, New York. Yet I felt an overgrowing void. It was then that I took a leap of faith and made an investment that would irrevocably alter the course of my life. I bought a property in Brooklyn to operate on Airbnb in 2018, a decision that became my gateway to my true freedom. One day, faced with a challenging scenario in my corporate job, I made a bold decision to break the shackles, and I stepped out of my comfort zone. I actually bought a 1998 Chevy Blazer in Phoenix, Arizona. I left behind my corporate existence, shifting my focus, doing what Nick Durso wanted to do. The Airbnb property was making more money per month by saving me time, in which became my bread and butter for the next few years. My journey led me on an unforgettable 11-month drive across the enchanting landscapes of Mexico on my way to Argentina in my Chevy, finally landing in the tropical paradise of Belize. However, as COVID-19 swept across the world, I had to make a crucial decision. 1, stay in Belize, or 2, return back to Mexico. My heart and my funds chose Mexico, a decision I would never forget. Back in Mexico, I found myself in a place called Tulum, a place I saw an amazing growth opportunity. So I bought my own property here and committed myself to learning the intricacies of the Mexican real estate market. Now, I stand before you, eager to share my insights, knowledge, and experience with you. What I'm basically telling you is, I've already done all the hard work for you, and that is what this course is all about. Perhaps you're an aspiring real estate investor, or maybe you're seeking profitable opportunities abroad. No matter your background or your current challenges, I am here to guide you through the captivating world of Mexican real estate. Much like the journey I embarked a few years ago, the path to real estate investment may initially seem daunting, but fear not. Promise. With the right mentorship, the journey will be enriching as it is rewarding. By applying the same principles that I use to master the art of Airbnb, we will demystify the process of real estate investment here in Mexico. These principles, which I have now tailored to the real estate sector, will empower you to understand the market dynamics, navigate the legal intricacies, and eventually to make profitable investment decisions as well as work with the right people. That's super important. My journey hasn't always been smooth sailing. There were rocky terrains, sharp turns, and uphill climbs. But those very experiences taught me that life is full of peaks and valleys. It's how we navigate these terrains that shape our stories. I had to let go of my past, live in the present, and fully embrace the uncertainties of my future. So, what do we want out of our investment journey? What are the secrets to a successful real estate investment? Allow me to share the knowledge and insights that took me years to uncover, as well as my failures. Trust in the process, follow my guidance, and soon you'll realize that success in real estate investing is not as daunting as it might seem. The world of real estate investment, particularly in the vibrant markets of Mexico, is within your reach. With the knowledge, we'll share the tools at our disposal, and there's no reason for you not to pursue your aspirations just as I did. For most, I get it. I don't think that buying a 98 Chevy Blazer and leaving everything is an option. But purchasing an international property is definitely a great idea to diversify the way the world is turning out right now, especially in the United States and Canada. This project, this journey, this is something I'm incredibly proud of. I can't wait to guide you on your first steps in the world of Mexican real estate investment. I promise to be with you every step of the way, guiding you, helping you understand the market dynamics, and assisting you in making wise, profitable investment decisions based on data and hopefully meeting you. So let's embark on this journey together. Let's share our stories, learn from each other, and grow together. Because as my favorite philosopher, Alan Watts, once said, the only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it. Move with it and join the dance. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Together, I am confident that we will build something truly remarkable. Oh, and I almost forgot. As I mentioned, I'm super excited to get into this with you. I want to be clear, this information I'm going to focus on is specifically geared towards Tulum. Specifically, at the time of this recording, I currently live in Playa del Carmen. It's important to know that the majority of this information can be transferred to any other part of Mexico. The idea of this is to be a visionary, meaning there are a lot of opportunities all around Mexico, but I can only speak on Tulum because I already went through the process of buying here, and I've worked as the right-hand man next to some developers, and I've learned a lot that I will share. I have connections in Puerto Vallarta, Puerto Peñasco, also known as Rocky Point, Mérida, Oaxaca, San Luis Potosí, and a few others. The Yucatan is what I am more familiar with, but this information is all transferable to other parts. And if you need any help, we can discuss it. But I think it's very important to let you know this because this is considered evergreen content, meaning the backbone of this information will change very little over the years, and details will change as markets grow, level out, and change. But the foundation of investing in Mexico is what this course is built upon. I genuinely am excited to jump into this with you, and my intentions are nothing more than sharing my journey and helping point you in the right direction, because I wish I had someone to help me like I'm about to do so for you. So I look forward to it, and let's get started.